Hello students, this is Venkatesh, BTech in Civil Engineering from JNTU University and also MBA from the JNTU University. Today I am going to discuss a topic on brickwork construction. Brickwork is mainly for partition of the rooms by external as well as internally. So we get external wall thickness of 9 inch, and whereas internal wall thickness gets 4.5 inch. So initially, before starting the internal brickwork, generally masonry and workers will start executing the external work of a 9-inch wall. So in order to make the internal walls start to construct, so we need to have a dimensions according to the engineer given in the drawing. So in this way we plan to part the rooms as well as the external walls. So in this way we make the rooms dimensions by one brick layer in order to get the overview of the rooms, so that the owner or client is interested to have these rooms or particular rooms with the same dimensions, or they can correct it by their own dimensions. So as per their interest, we can make this room dimensions in this way. After selecting the room dimensions and confirming these layers, so we will start the execution of work. So after confirming the room dimensions, workers will start executing the brickwork. So this is a 4.5 inch internal wall which is used to separate the rooms and bathrooms. So here we construct up to 3 feet or 4 feet height. Then we used to play DPC, which is a mixture of chips and steel of 8 mm or 6 mm as per their requirements, and sand. So we used to place this DPC. Then after we start constructing the upper layer of up to door top level. So this is door top level. We execute the work, then we stop the work. Then after that we need to place the lintels and sajjas as per the site and the drawings. So we need to be careful while executing the work for brickwork, of maintaining the joints. So in order to have good bonding between the two layers, we need to have these layers in this way. So if this 9-inch brick came this side, so we need to have 4.5 inch, so that in order to get bonding for this and bottom, so we need to have this type of brickwork, so in order to have bonding and strength to the wall. So then after that we need to check out the windows and doors, where exactly it comes. So in order to fix that, according as per the drawings, we will check, we'll fix the windows thickness, windows and doors. This is the doors position, this is the window position. Then that is okay. So exactly we need to have doors exactly opposite to one another, so that it is easy to have movement from one room to another room. So this is bathroom. So this is how it this internal walls and brickwork is done.